long time waiting. I think for us, the partnership with LIFA extends beyond just what we're offering. It extends to our clients. It's making the road safer. And for us at FirstRand, it's giving opportunities to a local SME, as Malcolm will call himself, but I think a local entrepreneur who's established such a beautiful partnership with Windhoek. It's one of my favorite rides. I use LIFA a lot. But really for us, it's extending value to our clients. We pay up to 8 million in no claims bonuses a year. We have fixed benefits, we have fixed excesses. So we're really trying to extend our offering beyond the normal for a client. And this is what the LIFA partnership will do. So we're giving our clients opportunity every second month to get a double voucher to go home in the evenings. We know Namibians love to have a bit of a social, but it does come with consequences. We don't want to see our clients being caught by the city police, and we also don't want to have those incidents tomorrow morning where we must try and figure out, did you have one too many or not? So, really extending this to our clients. Every second month you'll get your free voucher. Climbing to the LIFA, I love these electronic vehicles. I say to Malkies now, they've got 10 of the electronic vehicles, all driven by women, and I think that is such a brilliant initiative. I get very disappointed when I climb into the vehicles, the other ones. So I love climbing in. It's such a great conversation, and it's with the unemployment as it is, giving opportunity to 10 ladies and their families as well. It's such a special thing. So really don't want to say much tonight. Please look out for that. It will be launched to our clients tomorrow morning early. You'll see it popped into your SMSs. Use the voucher. Please use it as much as possible. And although it is only in Windhoek, we extend the voucher to everyone in Namibia. So when you do come to Windhoek, drop your car at the hotel or your family, wherever you're staying, use the voucher and go out in Windhoek. So really from our side, Malkies, you and your team, Yalu, thank you so much for joining us in this partnership. It's very much a first in Namibia, and really for us as part of the FirstRand Group, extending our opportunities for you to grow and us to grow together. So that's all I have to say. Malkies, I don't know if you want to say a couple of words.